Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Live Reviewed. My name is Dave and we are back with yet another unboxing video of the mouse. Yeah, I know, lots of mouse, but this is in demand right now and I like having a lot of gaming mouse around me. I don't know why, but I do. So anyways, this here is the Philips Momentum. Yeah, Philips makes gaming mouse, and I too was surprised when I came upon this one. Philips gaming mouse and keyboards that are not very popular in India right now, but these are really popular in Brazil and in the United States, especially in Brazil. I've heard a lot of things from some of my friends there, so I decided to get this. I got this for around 379, and yeah, let me show you around the box. As I said, this is called the Philips Momentum Wide Gaming Mouse with colorful backlight. So one thing is that this is the very basic mouse. Philips has, I think, 3 or 4 models of gaming mouse. This is the basic version. It does not have any DPI buttons or any forward or backward buttons. This is basically just your left and right click. There is a scroll wheel and there is a middle mouse click. That's it. But this has RGB and they market it as a gaming mouse. So okay, the model number is G319 and colorful backlight, 1200 DPI. As I said, you cannot change that, it is fixed. 3 buttons. And this side, same thing. The MRP is listed as 599, but as I said, I bought it for 379. So yeah, country of manufacture is China. In the back, in different languages, they have said the same thing, which is 1200 DPI, return rate is 125 Hz, ergonomic design, colorful cycle backlight, 2 million clicks lifespan. Okay, these days the lifespan of the gaming mouse are around 3 million to 5 million. It's usually on average it's 3 million, so that is a bit low. I think you should know that. And in the bottom, what is written? Philips blah 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 blah, registered trademarks, etc etc etc. Okay, let's go ahead and see what is in the box. I actually didn't know, as I was saying, I actually didn't know that they were into gaming peripherals, and I was surprised. We have a lot of good memories with Philips bulbs and all those things. So in the box, pretty standard. We have some paperwork here. Purchase date, repair. This is the warranty card. Okay, in Chinese and in English. Let's put that aside. We have the user manual again in different languages. Back view, vista frontale, vista posterior. Okay, as I said, multiple languages. Nothing much to that. Okay. Coming to the box, we have the mouse packed in styrofoam. Pretty basic. Okay, so plasticky, shiny plastic. I really don't like that. No matte finish. The clicks are quite loud, quite pronounced clicks, and yeah, the scroll wheel is soft, I would say. No braided cable, it's a simple plastic wire. And this is the USB, no gold plating. There's a Philips branding here, but gold plating does not matter, I guess. The wire length is 1.5 meter. And let me plug it in and show you. So I've turned off the light to give you a fair understanding of the RGB lighting. I would say not that impressive. So yeah, coming to the back side of this, this has Teflon paddings for smooth functioning and usual model number and all those stuff. Let me just show you with another mouse. This one is actually one of my favorite mouse. This is the HP M260. So you can get a fair idea of how this tool looks. So you can see the difference in the material, the matte finishing, and you get it. For size comparison, the site. This is ambidextrous, and this is truly ambidextrous because it does not have buttons on its side. So let me also show you how much it weighs, because since they are marketing this as a gaming mouse, the weight really matters. 82 grams, fairly standard. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding this, do put that in the comment section below, and I will answer each and every one of you. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Bye.